exciting things are on the horizon here in future. Test driving a vehicle on the longest and fastest ride ever created from Walt Disney World. Across the lagoon is World Showcase, where you'll find representatives from the host countries, making this a truly international experience. Some exciting new adventures around the world are coming to France, Canada, China, and the United Kingdom. Join us tonight at the lagoon to celebrate together during our nighttime spectacular. There's even more to explore. Come around with a world of imagination. Inside those black pyramids, unleash your spark and journey into imagination with kids and experience your favorite short films like never before at the Disney Pixar Short Film Festival. Next is The Land, where you can celebrate Earth's rich diversity. The Land is also Soul, a free-flying adventure across the wonders around the world. Here in the seas, you'll be able to meet some of your favorite undersea pals from Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo. We're approaching the Epcot monorail station.
Together, you are not